In under 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can create Clearspace grids for your logos in Illustrator. Creating Clearspace for a logo is dead simple in Adobe Illustrator. We're going to be using the Akrivi Gridit plugin, and these are the 3 different type of logos we're going to be creating Clearspace for. So I'm going to start off creating a Clearspace for first logo, which is a horizontal logo. What you want to do is make sure this logo is grouped, the logo type, and the logo mark is grouped. So now we both have that grouped. I'm just going to select both of them, and then all we have to do is make sure the exclusion zone is set on logo mark, which is the default setting, and I just click generate. And when it's generated, you can see the Clearspace grid is created perfectly, and the exclusion zone in this case is the logo mark has been rotated 4 times, so it has an even Clearspace around the logo. And now I'm going to do the same with this vertical logo. So again, we have our logo type group, and then we have our logo mark group. So I'm going to select both of the groups, and I'm just going to hit generate. And as you can see, again, we have our Clearspace grid created for our vertical logo. The logo mark has been rotated 4 times around the logo, and we have our different type of Clearspaces. I would say we have like 3 different Clearspace settings that we can use. It kind of just works with what works best for the logo. That's what I would recommend using. So creating a Clearspace grid for the Wordmark is different from the previous methods. So what we're going to do, we have one group selected, and instead of having the exclusion zone set as logo mark, instead we can change it to one of the measurements, either pixels, centimeters, or inches. I'm going to go with pixels, and I'm going to increase this to, let's say, 150. And then now that's done, I'm just going to click generate, and you can see we now have our Clearspace for our Wordmark. What this has done is now created a Clearspace of 150 pixels, and then we have X divided by 2 here, which is going to be 75 pixels, and then we have X again divided by 4. So again, we have our Clearspace grid, and what we can do with our Clearspace grid is export the logo with the Clearspace that we want that looks best for the logo. You'll see in the corner of the screen, I've included a video how you can export your Clearspace grid for your logo.